Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today I'm so excited to share a closer look at our new Mouse and Me collection kit. Our 12x12 collection kit includes one each of the 12 double-sided pattern papers. Featuring 20 different patterns and 4 journaling cards, this vintage-inspired collection brings timeless charm and playful nostalgia to your creative projects. Perfect for scrapbooking family moments, theme park adventures, or simply celebrating a love for vintage design, this collection is designed to help you tell stories that feel joyful, familiar, and wonderfully timeless. Our collection kits also include a 12x12 element sticker sheet. This one has 86 stickers.